prepared. We'll start from the beginning. Okay? Only 2 are left now. Chaturdhyayah Dhyanam Om Kalabrahmam Katakchairarikula Bhayagam Maulibaddhendurekam Shankam Chakram Krupanam Trishikamapi Karairudvahantim Trinetram Simhaskandadirodham Tribhuvanamakhilam Tejasa Purayantim Dhyaye Durgam Jayakyam Tridasha Parivratam Sevitam Siddhikamaihi. Om Rushiruvacha Shakradaya Suragana Nihateti Virye Tasmin Duratmani Surari Bale Cha Devya Tam Tushtuvuh Pranatinam Rashirodharamsa Vagbih Praharsha Pulakodgama Charudeha Devyayaya Tadamidam Jagadatma Shaktya Nissesha Devagana Shakti Samoha Murtya Tamambikam Akila Deva Maharshi Pujyam Bhaktya Natasma Vidadadu Shubhani Sanaha Yasyah Prabhavamatulam Bhagavanananto Brahma Harascha Nahi Vaktumalam Balam Cha Sa Chandika Kila Jagat Paripalanaya Nashaya Shubhabhayasya Mathim Karotu Ya Shri Swayam Sukrutinam Bhavaneshva Lakshmi Papatmanam Krutadiyam Krudayeshu Buddhihi Shraddha Satam Kulajana Prabhavasya Lajja Tam Tvam Natasma Paripalaya Devi Vishvam Kim Varnayama Tava Rupamachintyametat Kim Chadi Viryamasurakshayavari Bhuri Kim Chahaveshu Charitani Tavadbhutani Sarveshu Devyasura Deva Ganadikeshu Hetus Samasta Jagadam Tribunabhidoshair Nanyayase Hariharadibirapya Para Sarvashraya Kilamidam Jagadam Shabhutamavyakritahi Parama Prakriti Swamadhya Yasya Samasta Surata Samudiranena Truptim Prayati Sakaleshu Makheshu Devi Swaha Sivai Pitruganasya Chatrupti Heturupcharyase Tvamadaeva Janai Svadacha Ya Mukti Heturavichintya Mahavratatvam Abhyasyase Suniyatendriya Tattvasaraihi Moksharte Bhirmuni Virasta Samasta Doshair Vidyasi Sa Bhagavati Paramahi Devi Shabdhatmika Suvimalargya Jusham Nidhanamudgitaramya Padapatavatam Cha Samnam Devi Trayi Bhagavati Bhavabhavanaya Varta Cha Sarva Jagadam Paramarti Mantri Medasi Devi Vidita Kila Shastrasara Medhasi Devi Vidita Kila Shastrasara
मेधासि देवि विदिता किल शास्त्रसारा
दुर्गासि दुर्गभवसागरनौरसङ्गा
दुर्गासि दुर्गभवसागरनौरसङ्गा दुर्गासि दुर्गभवसागरनौरसङ्गा
मेधासि देवि विदिता किल शास्त्रसारा दुर्गासि दुर्गभवसागरनौरसङ्गा
मेधासि देवि विदिता किल शास्त्रसारा दुर्गासि दुर्गभवसागरनौरसङ्गा मेधासि देवि विदिता किल शास्त्रसारा दुर्गासि दुर्गभवसागरनौरसङ्गा
श्रीकैटभारि हृदयैककृदादिवासा
श्रीकैटभारि हृदयैककृदादिवासा श्रीकैटभारि हृदयैककृदादिवासा
गौरी त्वमेव शशिमौलि कृतप्रतिष्ठा
गौरी त्वमेव शशिमौलि कृतप्रतिष्ठा गौरी त्वमेव शशिमौलि कृतप्रतिष्ठा
श्रीकैटभारि हृदयैककृदाधिवासा गौरी त्वमेव शशिमौलि कृतप्रतिष्ठा
श्रीकैटभारि हृदयैककृदाधिवासा गौरी त्वमेव शशिमौलि कृतप्रतिष्ठा श्रीकैटभारि हृदयैककृदाधिवासा गौरी त्वमेव शशिमौलि कृतप्रतिष्ठा
मेधासि देवि विदिता किल शास्त्रसारा दुर्गासि दुर्गभवसागरनौरसङ्गा श्रीकैटभारि हृदयैककृदादिवासा गौरी त्वमेव शशिमौलि कृतप्रतिष्ठा
मेधासि देवि विदिता किल शास्त्रसारा दुर्गासि दुर्गभवसागरनौरसङ्गा श्रीकैटभारि हृदयैककृदाधिवासा गौरी त्वमेव शशिमौलि कृतप्रतिष्ठा मेधासि देवि विदिता किल शास्त्रसारा दुर्गासि दुर्गभवसागरनौरसङ्गा श्रीकैटभारि हृदयैककृदाधिवासा गौरी त्वमेव शशिमौलि कृतप्रतिष्ठा.
Devi first was explained as Shabda Brahma, Shabdatmika. She is the Shabda Brahman present in all the verses of the Vedas. She is the Shabda Brahma. Then the next it came, she is called Trayi. She is the embodiment of Vedas. She is called Trayi. So first it was mentioned like she was the Shabda Brahman in each of the verses in the Vedas and the literature, especially the Vedas. And the next thing they said is she is the Vedas only. Trayi, she is the Vedas only. Now the third thing they are saying, Medasi Devi Vidita Khela Shastra Sara. Shastra Sara means the essence of all the Shastras. Medasi Devi. Now here, the intelligence which is needed to understand the essence of all the Shastras. It is her. Medasi Devi. You are the intelligence which makes us understand the essence of all the Shastras. Okay, Medasi Devi Viditha. Viditha means understanding. Medha means intelligence. Medhasi, you are Medha. You are the intelligence. So she is the Shabdam, she is the Vedam, and she is the intelligence which makes one to understand that Veda. She is everything in that. Okay? Medhasi Devi, Vididha Kila Shastra Sara, the essence of all Shastras. Durgasi Durga Bhavasagara Naura Sangha. Naura Sangha. Naura means boat. So she is the boat which takes you to cross the Bhavasagara, the Samsara, the ocean of Samsara. She is the boat, like a Durga. She comes there to protect you. She is Durga, a boat or a vessel that makes you cross the Bhavasagara. That is the ocean of Samsara. Sri Kaitabhari Hrud. Srihi, she is Lakshmi. Kaitabhari Mahavishnu. Who kills Kaitabha. Krutadi Hriday. Kruta, she is staying permanently there in his Hridaya, Hridayaika Krutadi Vasa. She is staying in the heart of Mahavishnu all the time. Okay? She is Mahalakshmi. First they call her Durga, then she is Mahalakshmi. They say, Gauri Tvameva, you are also Gauri. Shashi Mauli Krita Pratishta. Shashi Mauli means, Mauli is the crown, Shashi Mauli, the moon attached to the crown. Who is wearing the Shiva? You are the Gauri for Shiva who is, so you are everything. That is exactly what they are saying. So she is the splendor that Shri also means radiant splendor. Shri also means Lakshmi. So Lakshmi is the one who resides in Mahavishnu's heart, and Gauri as the one consort of Shiva. You are everything. You are the one. Okay? Ishat Sahasamalam Paripurna Chandra.
Ishat Sahasamalam Paripurna Chandra. Ishat Sahasamalam Paripurna Chandra.
Bimbanukari Kanakottama Kantikantam.
Bimbanukari Kanakottama Kantikantam. Bimbanukari Kanakottama Kantikantam.
Ishat Sahasamalam Paripurna Chandra. Bimbanukari Kanakottama Kantikantam.
Ishat Sahasamalam Paripurna Chandra. Bimbanukari Kanakottama Kantikantam. Ishat Sahasamalam Paripurna Chandra. Bimbanukari Kanakottama Kantikantam.
Atyadbhutam Pravrutamātarusha Tathapi.
Atyadbhutam Pravrutamātarusha Tathapi. Atyadbhutam Pravrutamātarusha Tathapi.
Bhaktram Vilokya Sahasa Mahishāsurena.
Vaktram Vilokya Sahasa Mahishāsurena. Vaktram Vilokya Sahasa Mahishāsurena.
Atyadbhutam Pravrutamātarusha Tathapi. Vaktram Vilokya Sahasa Mahishāsurena.
Atyadbhutam Pravrutamātarusha Tathapi. Vaktram Vilokya Sahasa Mahishāsurena. Atyadbhutam Pravrutamātarusha Tathapi. Vaktram Vilokya Sahasa Mahishāsurena.
Ishat Sahasamalam Paripurna Chandra. बिम्बानुकारी कनकोत्तमकान्तिकान्तम् अत्यद्भुतं प्रकृतमातरुषा तथापि वक्त्रं विलोक्य सहसा महिषासुरेण
ईषत्सहासममलं परिपूर्णचन्द्र बिम्बानुकारी कनकोत्तमकान्तिकान्तम् अत्यद्भुतं प्रहृतमातरुषा तथापि वक्त्रं विलोक्य सहसा महिषासुरेण ईषत्सहासममलं परिपूर्णचन्द्र बिम्बानुकारी कनकोत्तमकान्तिकान्तम् अत्यद्भुतं प्रहृतमातरुषा तथापि वक्त्रं विलोक्य सहसा महिषासुरेण
Sahasamathura, very gentle smile. Amalam, very pure and gentle smile. There is no, here they have said, they have compared it with the Paripurna Chandra, Bimbanukari. Paripurna Chandra, Purna Chandran, there is also blemish in that. But in her smile, gentle smile, which is always compared to the full moon, Purna Chandran, it is blemishless, gentle and blemishless. Bimba Anukari, Anukari means it resembles Purna Chandra. Her face, gentle smiling face, resembles Purna Chandra. Kanaka Uttama Kanti, Uttama Kanakam. That is molten gold. Actually, normal gold, say when molten gold, when it is like, it is shining more. Uttama Kanakam, pure gold. Uttama Kanakam, Kanti Kantam. Her radiance is like that. That is equal to the molten gold, molten pure gold. It is equal to that. The next line is very beautiful. Atyadbhutam. It is really surprising. Mata Rusha, Pravruta, I will come. Mata Rusha Tatapi. Even though he was intoxicated with anger and bitterness. Mahishasura was intoxicated not by wine, but intoxicated with anger and bitterness. Mata means intoxicated, Rusha means bitterness or angry, being annoyed. Vaktram vilokya sahasa Mahishasura. Vaktram vilokya sahasa prakrutta Mahishasura. That is how it comes. Prakrutta comes behind. Because he went on to strike her at one point of a time in the battle. After looking this beautiful face, it is really surprising, even though he was intoxicated by anger and bitterness, how he could strike that face. Such a beautiful face. Vaktram Vilokya, after seeing her face, such a beautiful face, Pravrutta means striking. So, Sahasa means vehemently, because Mahishasura was huge. So, how he went, it was possible for Mahishasura to go and strike her. It's all just beautiful poetry, that's all. Okay. Drishtva tu devi kupitam brugudikaralam.
Drishtva tu devi kupitam brugudikaralam.
Karalam actually. Then the next line comes Udhyacha. So don't make a break now. I am just making a break only for you to learn it now. But when you have to say it together. So don't make any changes there. Okay. Drishtva tu devi kupitam brukuti karalam.
Drishtva tu devi kupitam brukuti karalam. Drishtva tu devi kupitam brukuti karalam.
Udhyacha shanka sadrusacha सदृशच्चवियन्न सद्यः
उद्यच्च शाङ्कसदृशच्चवियन्न सद्यः उद्यच्च शाङ्कसदृशच्चवियन्न सद्यः
दृष्ट्वा तु now listen how it is said together, okay? दृष्ट्वा तु ते देवि कुपितं भ्रुकुटीकरालमुद्यच्च शाङ्कसदृशच्चवियन्न सद्यः. See, sadrushat, that is, and chavi. There are two words, sadrushat and chavi. When, like, when the sandhi comes, it is called sadrushat chavi. Okay? Each comes as a sandhi there. Sadrush, otherwise it is sadrushat, like looking at it. Okay? Sadrushat. दृष्ट्वा तु देवि कुपितं भ्रुकुटीकरालमुद्यच्च शाङ्क सदृशच्चवियन्न सद्यः
दृष्ट्वा तु देवि कुपितं भ्रुकुटीकरालमुद्यच्च शाङ्क सदृशच्चवियन्न सद्यः दृष्ट्वा तु देवि कुपितं भ्रुकुटीकरालमुद्यच्च शाङ्क सदृशच्चवियन्न सद्यः
प्राणान् मुमोच महिषस्तदतीव चित्रम्
प्राणान् मुमोच महिषस्तदतीव चित्रम् प्राणान् मुमोच महिषस्तदतीव चित्रम्
कैर्जीव्यते हि कुपितान्तक दर्शनेन
कैर्जीव्यते हि कुपितान्तक दर्शनेन कैर्जीव्यते हि कुपितान्तक दर्शनेन
प्राणान् मुमोच महिषस्तदतीव चित्रम् कैर्जीव्यते हि कुपितान्तक दर्शनेन
प्राणान् मुमोच महिषस्तदतीव चित्रम् कैर्जीव्यते हि कुपितान्तक दर्शनेन प्राणान् मुमोच महिषस्तदतीव चित्रम् कैर्जीव्यते हि कुपितान्तक दर्शनेन
दृष्ट्वा तु देवि कुपितं भ्रुकुटीकरालमुद्यच्च शाङ्कसदृशच्चवियन्न सद्यः प्राणान् मुमोच महिषस्तदतीव चित्रम् कैर्जीव्यते हि कुपितान्तक दर्शनेन
दृष्ट्वा तु देवि कुपितं भ्रुकुटीकरालमुद्यच्च शाङ्कसदृशच्चवियन्न सद्यः प्राणान् मुमोच महिषस्तदतीव चित्रम् कैर्जीव्यते हि कुपितान्तक दर्शनेन दृष्ट्वा तु देवि कुपितं भ्रुकुटीकरालमुद्यच्च शाङ्कसदृशच्चवियन्न सद्यः प्राणान् मुमोच महिषस्तदतीव चित्रम् कैर्जीव्यते हि कुपितान्तक दर्शनेन.
What is a still stranger? The first strange thing is how we can go hit the beautiful face. But that is beauty. This is Ghora Rupam. They immediately transform into the Ghora Rupam because Karala means very frightful, terrible face now. Not the beautiful face, you have to forget it in the last stanza, and now to come to a terrible, fierce face. Drishtva tu Devi. What is stranger than that is, after seeing Devi, Kupitam, Bhrugudi Karala, because of her anger, the brows and all, eyebrows and all were twisted. Bhrugudi Karala were fearsome. She was looking so fearsome. And she looked like the rising moon. Rising moon is sometimes red in color. Okay? So the rising moon, Uddyacha means rising. So rising moon, Shanka, I suspect how he didn't die immediately after looking at that terrible face. Okay? Sadrisha Chavi Immediately he should have, looking at that splendor, that fearsome face of Devi, how he didn't die immediately? Sadhya, immediately. Why? How he didn't die? Pranan mumocha mahishas tadadiva chitram. He should have, his prana should have left after seeing that picture of Devi, who is wrathful and fearsome. Kair jivyati, how he is still alive. Kupitantaha darshana, to see that anger in the face, after having seen that anger in the face, how he is still alive. How he was still alive, till she really pierced him with the shulam, he was alive. How he was, kair jivyate, how he was alive, even after seeing that face of hers. This kind of the two extremes have been always mentioned throughout this Mahatmyam. By the time you take a breath, like how beautiful she is, they come to the other side of that. Devi prasida parama bhavati bhavaya.
Devi prasida parama bhavati bhavaya. Devi prasida parama bhavati bhavaya.
Sadhyo vinashayasi kopavati kulani.
Sadhyo vinashayasi kopavati kulani. Sadhyo vinashayasi kopavati kulani.
I will repeat it one more time because I think I heard one or two mistakes. Okay. Devi prasida parama bhavati bhavaya. Sadhyo vinashayasi kopavati kulani.
Devi prasida parama bhavati bhavaya. Sadhyo vinashayasi kopavati kulani. Devi prasida parama bhavati bhavaya. Sadhyo vinashayasi kopavati kulani.
Vinyadamedaddadunaiva yadastamedat. Actually, there is a sandhi that is coming everywhere here. Vinyadamedat adhunaiva. Okay, when you say it together, Vinyadamedat adhunaiva. Vinyadamedat adhunaiva. Okay. Yadastam etat, actually, when it finishes, because nitam is coming the next line, the sandhi is in. Okay. When you are saying together, you have to, you are looking at me, I am looking at you. I don't know. It is a very, very involuntary action. The moment the sandhi comes, I start looking at her. You cannot predict how sandhis are formed. Because people who are little familiar with Tamil language know, it is very easy for us to understand this. Tamil also has got this kind of funny things. That sandhi is also very important in Tamil. So more or less we can understand how it comes. Vinyatam etat adhunaiva yadastham etat. So when I am splitting and saying, I will see medat, etat. But when I am going to say it together, metan netam. Okay? Vinyatam etat adhunaiva yadastham etat.
Vinyatam etat adhunaiva yadastham etat. Vinyatam etat adhunaiva yadastham etat.
Nitam balam suvipulam mahishasurasya.
Nitam balam suvipulam mahishasurasya. Nitam balam suvipulam mahishasurasya.
Vinyatam etat adhunaiva yadastametam. Nitam balam suvipulam mahishasurasya.
Vinyatam etat adhunaiva yadastametam. Nitam balam suvipulam mahishasurasya. विज्ञातमेतदधुनैव यदस्तमेतन्नीदं बलं सुविपुलं महिषासुरस्य
देवी प्रसीद परमा भवती भवाय सद्यो विनाशयसि कोपवती कुलानि विज्ञातमेतदधुनैव यदस्तमेतन्नितं बलं सुविपुलं महिषासुरस्य
देवी प्रसीद परमा भवती भवाय सद्यो विनाशयसि कोपवती कुलानि विज्ञातमेतदधुनैव यदस्तमेतन्नीतं बलं सुविपुलं महिषासुरस्य देवी प्रसीद परमा भवती भवाय सद्यो विनाशयसि कोपवती कुलानि विज्ञातमेतदधुनैव यदस्तमेतन्नीतं बलं सुविपुलं महिषासुरस्य
Devi Prasida Parama Bhavati Bhavaya. She is supreme. Devi, you are supreme. Parama, you are supreme. Bhavati Bhavaya, you are gracious to every being in this creation. You are gracious to every being in the creation. Sadhyo Vinashiyasi Kopavati Kulani. But we also know when you are angry, how in no minute you will destroy everything in multitudes. Kopavati Sadhyo Vinashiyasi. It will happen immediately. Like how when you are angry, you are the other extreme. Otherwise you are good. Okay? That how we came to Vinyatame, that how we understood that aspect. That when you are angry, you can destroy everything so quickly. Vinyatameda adhunaiva. Adhunaiva means right now, the moment when Mahishasura was killed, we understood. Because Mahishasura is Suvipulam, Bhalam Suvipulam, very, very great, strong, valorous person. How he was brought down dead. The moment you brought him down dead, we understood what you can do when you are angry. What you can do when you are angry, we understood how the moment Mahishasura was the great Mahishasura. They did not, Suvipulam means the great, Bhalam Suvipulam. He's strong and very great Mahishasura. Asura also, he was a very great Asura. The moment you brought him down, we understood, Adhunaiva, the moment you brought him down, we understood what you will do if you get angry. We are all like that, no? Why go to Devi after Devi? What we can do when we get angry, we all know it.
We ourselves will not know.
Others will know very well. Mama isn't happy. Mama isn't happy. Nobody is happy. Te sammata janapateshu dhanani tesham.
Te sammata janapadeshu dhanani tesham. Te sammata janapadeshu dhanani tesham.
Tesham yashamsi nacha sidhati dharma varga.
Tesham yashamsi nacha sidhati dharma varga. Tesham yashamsi nacha sidhati dharma varga.
There's a difference in that. Bandhu varga, dharma varga. Dharma is because this is against adharma. No? The whole thing is not bandhu varga. Okay. Okay. Te sammata janapateshu dhanani tesham. Tesham yashamsi nacha sidhati dharma varga.
Te sammata janapadeshu dhanani tesham. तेषां यशांसि न च सीदति धर्मवर्गः ते सम्मदा जनपदेषु धनानि तेषां यशांसि न च सीदति धर्मवर्गः
धन्यास एव निवृतात्मज भृत्यदारा
धन्यास एव निभृतात्मजभृत्यदारा धन्यास एव निभृतात्मजभृत्यदारा
येषां सदाभ्युदयदा भवति प्रसन्ना
येषां सदाभ्युदयदा भवति प्रसन्ना येषां सदाभ्युदयदा भवति प्रसन्ना
धन्यास एवि निभृतात्मज भृत्यदारा येषां सदाभ्युदयदा भवति प्रसन्ना
धन्यास एव निभृतात्मजभृत्यदारा येषां सदाभ्युदयदा भवति प्रसन्ना धन्यास एव निभृतात्मजभृत्यदारा येषां सदाभ्युदयदा भवति प्रसन्ना
ये ते सम्मदा जनपदेषु. They are talking about great people here. Sammata means very renowned people or great people. It is not renowned in the sense not only with the riches. In the way they conduct themselves. Dharma vargaga. Sidati dharma vargaga. They, like, the dharmic way they follow. You are like bhavati prasanna. You are bounteous towards them. Your grace is bounteous towards them. And their sidati dharma vargaha. Their riches or their glories are all, there is no limit to that. They keep growing the way they do dharmic thing. If your grace is on them, then there is no limit and it keeps growing. Not only dhanyasa, not only riches they get, nibhrutha atmaja. Okay, that is how it is spelled. Nibhrutha atmaja. Nibhrutha means very modest, humble, devoted, obedient sons or daughters. How beautiful it is. Nibhrutha atmaja. You get atmaja means sons or daughters. Nibhrutha atmaja is very obedient sons and daughters. Let us learn it here at least. Bhrutya means servants. Dara is wife. So they not only get riches, dhanyasa eva, other than dhanya, that dhanam, they get obedient sons, servants and wife.
Why they put wife in the last? Why it is not said? I want to ask that.
The thing is, it was written by Markandeya.
I know.
He can think only from his point of view. If we had written that, we would have reversed it.
Spouse.
Neutral gender we would have used. So when you are bounteous,
Spouse in the mommy, I don't know.
Bhrityada.
Maybe this is our controversy about
English no. It is in English no. They have to be very careful. English no, it is. So Bhrutya Dara. So we also, our servants need to be good, otherwise we are gone.
But that is becoming more important than
Not even children, no? Okay. I didn't know that. So when your grace is on people who are following the dharmic way of life, you give them the riches, you give them obedient sons, servants and consorts like spouse. Okay, let me be neutral. You give them good spouse and everything if your grace is bounteous on someone who is who leads the life in a dharmic way. That is the underlining one. Dharmic way, if you lead the life, somewhere like, if we suffer even after wearing, then that means that is our karma. But what here is like Mahishasura, the depiction of Mahishasura, now how it is relevant to this world, now what we go through. There are so many hateful deeds, unproclaimed wars. Everything is happening now. We are witnessing everything. And the hatred that people have on one another. Hatred. All these things are actually depicted as Mahishasura. Mahishasura is one demon from some planet. It is not like that. In the present world, if you see the changes, the violence and the killings and atrocities that happen around us, the hatred people have on one another, hatred towards the planet itself, how many trees we are cutting down, how much we are making destruction, all these things are directly connected with Mahishasura. His atrocities, Mahishasura, it is all, they say that whatever we do, the atrocities, it's all demonic activities. That is why it has been given like a Mahishasura face, a bull face, because there is no between dharma and adharma, there is no demarcation here that is happening. We call it erma madu, no? If someone doesn't understand what is dharma and adharma. No, a buffalo we call, thick-skinned buffalo. All those things, names we call people. It's nothing but the insensitivity that we have developed, all of us. We are when these kind of acts happen, we know that Mahishasura is still alive. And you need some incarnations to come and completely wipe off, because if there is one Mahishasura, we can do it. If everybody is a Mahishasura, what we can do? So, Devi's smiling face is no more smiling. It is only wrathful when these things happen. The change that we have seen in the 2 paragraphs. Devi's smile, she is no more smiling gentle face. It is a wrathful, fearsome face when things there is a greater imbalance in the prapancha. Their only job is to bring that equilibrium all the time. When there is a greater imbalance here, then she is no more smiling. That is why we say this is the period where you have to pray to all Ugra Devatas. I was just telling, it is because of that. Because so much of atrocities happening around us, adharma happening around us, only them they can protect us, because they are no more smiling there, sitting there and smiling. Okay? Dharmyani Devi Sakalani Sadaiva Karman. Actually, Karmani, that is why how it is Atyadrutha, that is the next Atyadha is the next word. Okay? When ya comes there, it is a ni in the suffix of the last word. Okay? Ni. Okay? This is also a sandhi. So, when you say karman yatyadhrudha, when it comes like that, it means karmani atradhrudha. Okay? Atyadhrudha. Karmani atyadhrudha. Okay? That is but when you are saying, you are going to recite together only. Okay? Dharmyani Devi Sakalani Sadaiva Karman.
Dharmyani Devi Sakalani Sadaiva Karman. Dharmyani Devi Sakalani
यत्यादृतः प्रतिदिनं सुकृती करोति
यत्यादृतः प्रतिदिनं सुकृती करोति यत्यादृतः प्रतिदिनं सुकृती करोति
धर्म्यानि देवि सकलानि सदैव कर्माण्यत्यादृतः प्रतिदिनं सुकृती करोति
धर्म्याणि देवि सकलानि सदैव कर्माण्यत्यादृतः प्रतिदिनं सुकृती करोति धर्म्याणि देवि सकलानि सदैव कर्माण्यत्यादृतः प्रतिदिनं सुकृती करोति
स्वर्गं प्रयाति च तदो भवति again here the prasadat लोकत्रयेऽपि प्रसादात् लोकत्रयेऽपि स्वर्गं प्रयाति च तदो भवति प्रसादात्
स्वर्गं प्रयाति च ततो भवति प्रसादात् स्वर्गं प्रयाति च ततो भवति प्रसादात्
लोकत्रयेऽपि फलदा ननु देवि तेन
लोकत्रयेऽपि फलदा ननु देवि तेन लोकत्रयेऽपि फलदा ननु देवि तेन
स्वर्गं प्रयाति च तदो भवति प्रसादात् लोकत्रयेऽपि फलदा ननु देवि तेन
स्वर्गं प्रयाति च ततो भवति प्रसादात् लोकत्रयेऽपि फलदा ननु देवि तेन स्वर्गं प्रयाति च ततो भवति प्रसादात् लोकत्रयेऽपि फलदा ननु देवि तेन
धर्म्यानि देवि सकलानि सदैव कर्माण्यत्यादृतः प्रतिदिनं सुकृती करोति स्वर्गं प्रयाति च तदो भवति प्रसादात् लोकत्रयेऽपि फलदा ननु देवि तेन
धर्म्याणि देवि सकलानि सदैव कर्माण्यत्यादृतः प्रतिदिनं सुकृती करोति स्वर्गं प्रयाति च ततो भवति प्रसादात् लोकत्रयेऽपि फलदा ननु देवि तेन धर्म्याणि देवि सकलानि सदैव कर्माण्यत्यादृतः प्रतिदिनं सुकृती करोति स्वर्गं प्रयाति च ततो भवति प्रसादात् लोकत्रयेऽपि फलदा ननु देवि तेन
धर्म्यानि You want some? Take. धर्म्यानि देवि सकलानि सदैव कर्माण्यत्यादृतः प्रतिदिनं सुकृती करोति धर्म्यानि the one who follows righteously, one who does always righteous deeds. He never, like we can say even Rama after the Treta, it's only Rama we can say, like always sticking to dharma, and who does pratidinam, every day he does all the things atyadhrita, it is coming as atyadhrita means very meticulously, respectfully, with all kind of deference, like respect towards doing what he is doing. Very carefully he does everything according to dharma. He never deviates from dharma and does pratidinam, every day. Not one day is a convenience, it's not like that. Day of convenience, there's no day of convenience here. Every day the person who does, it is a neuter gender, the person who does dharmic things only, pratidinam sukriti karoti, the one who does every day, swargam prayati cha, Bhavati prasadam. What your prasadam is, you take him to the heaven. Swargam prayata, you give him that liberation. Lokatrayebi falada nanu devi Devi. Nanu means there is no doubt. In all the three worlds, there is nobody like you to give the blessings. Lokatrayebi falada. All the three worlds, because you reward when something good is happening, you give that reward. There is no one like you who can, there is no doubt about that. Nobody is like you to give that kind of rewards in all the three worlds. I think I will take one more. I just want to see the time because Durga smrita harasi bidima shesha janto. Durge, sorry. Durge smrita. Durge smrita harasi bidima shesha janto.
Durge smrita harasi bhītima shesha janto. Durge smrita harasi bhītima shesha janto.
Swastai smrita matimativa shubham dadasi.
Swastai smrita matimativa shubham dadasi. Swastai smrita matimativa shubham dadasi.
Durge smrita harasi bidima shesha janto. Swastai smrita matimativa shubham dadasi.
Durge smrita harasi bhītima shesha janto. Swastai smrita matimativa shubham dadasi. Durge smrita harasi bhītima.
See, if you are taking a break after janto, okay? If you are taking a break after janto, then jan. If you are using the sandhi there, visarga sandhi there, then is, okay? Durge smrita harasi bhitima shesha janto. Swastai smrita matimativa shubham dadasi. Because there is two different things they are saying. There is no connection actually. The first line says something, second line says something. So it is fine if you are saying jantoho, you take a break. Okay?
Durge smrita harasi bhītima shesha janto. Swastai smrita matimativa shubham dadasi. Durge smrita harasi bhītima shesha janto. Swastai smrita matimativa shubham dadasi.
Daridrya dukha bhayaharini katvadhanya.
Daridrya dukha bhayaharini katvadhanya. Daridrya dukha bhayaharini katvadhanya.
Sarvopakara karanaya sadardra chitta. Okay? Sada ardhra chitta. Sarvopakara karanaya sadardra chitta.
Sarvopakara karanaya sadardra chitta. Sarvopakara karanaya sadardra chitta.
Daridrya dukha bhayaharini katvadhanya. Sarvopakara karanaya sadardra chitta.
Daridrya dukha bhayaharini katvadhanya. Sarvopakara karanaya sadardra chitta. Daridrya dukha bhayaharini katvadhanya. Sarvopakara karanaya sadardra chitta.
Durge smrita harasi bhitima shesha janto. Swastai smrita matimativa shubham dadasi. दारिद्र्य दुःख भयहारिणिका त्वदन्या सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदार्द्रचित्ता
दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेषजन्तोः स्वस्थैः स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभां ददासि दारिद्र्यदुःखभयहारिणिका त्वदन्या सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदार्द्रचित्ता दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेषजन्तोः स्वस्थैः स्मृता मतिमतीव शुभां ददासि दारिद्र्यदुःखभयहारिणिका त्वदन्या सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदार्द्रचित्ता
दुर्गे स्मृता हरसि भीतिमशेषजन्तु. If you are in distress, when you are smrta, when you remember Durga, when you are in distress, harasi, bhidhima sesha jantu, asesha, bhidhim, harasi, bhidhim, you fear or distress in every, asesha jantu, not even one left. Asesha means everybody included, every jivarasi is included. When they are in distress or fear, when they remember you, you remove that fear and distress from them. Bhidima harasi bhidima seshajanto. Harasi, you remove that fear in every being, not only in human beings, in every being you remove that. Swastha smrta, if remembered by swastha, when contented people, when once in distressed people we are said, once in another one is in contented people, when they remember, you give them the more peace of mind. Mathim means mind. Shubham dadasi, more peace of mind you give them. If they are like, contented people, not in distress, very contented and happy people, you give them lot of peace of mind. Daridrya dukkha bhayaharini. Daridryam is poverty, dukkham is sorrows, bhayam is fear. You are the one who remove all the three. Nobody other than you. Tvad anya. Nobody other than you can remove the fear, sorrows and fear and the poverty like you. Sarvopakara karanaya. Because you want to bless everybody. Sadartra chitta. Sada artra chitta. Always you are tender at heart. You are completely that is why your benevolence is on asesha janto. In every being you are very kind. You protect them. Everyone is being protected by her. Okay, the contentment and protection that she gives, because her ardra means always we say is wet. Ardra means wet. We say if your heart is dry or wet, like நெஞ்சில ஈரம் இருக்கான்னு கேட்கிறோம் இல்லையா? நெஞ்சில ஈரம் இருக்கான்னு, there is a Tamil saying. Can understand? Ardram, you feel like being tenderness, being tender. Malayalam is also same. Okay. Compassion. That is what, being tender towards every being. Should we stop with this? Because there are 6 more in the same thing. So 23, up to 23 we have today we saw 7. So next class we will finish the 6, this thing. Because I think we need 2 more classes. I don't want to rush and halfway finish the other one. We will recite this once. Then 23, up to 23 you have this. After that Anushtuk Chandas come. The same thing, that is easy. That is easy. So that one will come after that. Or should I take one more so we can finish up to the Shiruvasa next time? Again, 5 only will be there. No, it is enough because this is too heavy to understand this. Okay. From 11, huh? Okay. Medasi Devi Vidita Kila Shastra Sara Durgasi Durga Bhavasagara Naura Sangha Shri Khaitapali Hrudayaika Krutadivasa Gauri Tvameva Shashi Mauli Kruta Pratishta Ishat Sahasamalam Paripurna Chandra Bimbhanukari Kanakottama Kantikantam Adhyadbudham Hardrutamatarushā tatapi Vakram Vilokya Sahasa Mahishāsurena Drishtva tu Devi Kupitam Bhruguti Karalamudhyaccha Shanka Sadrusaccha Liyanna Sadhya Pranan Mumocha Mahishastadativa Chitram Kairjīvyate hi Kupitantaka Darshanena Devi Prasida Parama Bhavati Bhavaya Sadhyo Vinashayasi Kopavati Kulani Minyatameta yadastametannitam balam suvipulam Mahishāsurasya Te sammata janapadeshu dhanani Tesham yashamsi nacha sidati dharma vargaha Dhananyastayeva nibrutatmaja bhrutyadara Yesham sadabhyudayata bhavati prasanna Dharmyani devi sakalani sadaiva karmanya Yadrutah pratidinam sukruti karoti Svargan prayati ca tato bhavati prasada Lokatrayepi paladananu devitena Durge smrda harasi bhitimasesha jantoh Swastai smrda madimativa shubham dadasi Daridrya dukkha bhayaharenika tvadanya Sarvopakara karanaya sadardra chitta.